Right there. That was a good bite.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today, I just got done fishing a brand new lake. Well, new to me. I've never been on this lake. So what I'm doing is, I'm on the hunt for a good smallmouth bass bite. I love fishing Lake St. Clair. It's starting to get a lot of pressure out there, and it's not easy for me to hook up, drag over there. You know, I don't get a lot of time to fish when I'm on Lake St. Clair. So I'm surrounded by hundreds of lakes, fortunately, where I live. And some of them do have smallmouth bass on them. So I'm gonna be cruising the shorelines, checking the flats, casting my favorite swim baits, crankbaits. This is a really crystal clear lake, to be honest. It's a little bit stained right now, but I could tell without a few days of rain, I bet you this lake is gin clear. If you guys are new to my channel, consider subscribing. It's free to subscribe, costs you nothing. It just shows your support to my channel and helps get my videos out to a wider audience. This is us today. This is our baby. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna catch some fish. We're gonna have a great time. Gonna be chilly, high in the 60s, low 60s today, so I'm dressed for it. But let's get unloaded. Let's get out there and let's jack some jaws, baby. I've got tubes tied on. I've got swim baits. I've got jerk baits. I've got a drop shot. Even though I've never caught a fish on a drop shot, I've got one. Guys, I'm sneaking up here so stealth-like. Talking full-on stealth mode. The goal today is to catch a smallmouth. I've only heard rumors. I haven't seen pictures. You know, I've just heard fisherman tales that there's smallmouth on this lake. So the idea was to find the biggest flat, start there. There's multiple flats, but I'm starting at the nearest flat from the launch, and I'm gonna work my way around the lake. But I mean, I'm talking super stealth mode. I kind of really want to start with a tube, but I think if I find one, I'll then deploy the tube. We're all up on this nice flat. And yes, the water is crystal clear. Got one. Second cast. Easy now, easy, 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 easy. Whew, he's warm. Guys, as warm as it is, I'm still throwing a jerk bait. It's not something that you just only throw in cold weather, right? Second cast, I'll take it. Thanks, buddy. Right there. Little guy. There's bigger ones around though. Oh, this guy just snuck right in on me. Sweet. You gotta love it. I'm blowing in here like a bull in a china shop. Right there. That was a good bite. That's a little better fish. Come here. Hey. Everybody be cool. Got him. Look at that, guys. Ain't that sweet? Still got a belly. I don't even think they spawned yet. Got a good one. Dark sleeper. It felt like something was following it. Oh boy. Yeah, spit it. It's a little guy. Oh, he's still on it. No, I lost him. Had him, lost him, had him, lost him. Just little guys. Maybe some rocks up there. Oh. Something small. Thump, 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 thump. He's coming in a circle. Rock bass. Nice one. Beautiful rock bass, really. He just thump, 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 thump. Little guy, big ol' eyeball on you, ain't it? Drug him in a circle. There he is. Largemouth. Got him. All right. Hey. On the sleeper. Ooh. That was a good bite. Oh. Man. That was a damn good bite. These guys don't come unhooked. Big ones do. That little guy. That was a good bite. Man, this thing's acrobatic. Is it a smallie? Oh, I don't know. It is. It is. Yeah, baby. got what we came for, baby. Just choked the dark sleeper. All right, guys, there he is. Not a giant smallmouth, but choked the dark sleeper. My first one. I've been hammering the largemouth, but we might be onto something. We might have found a spot where they're hanging out, but go ahead and get him back in the water. Exciting for me, guys, because never been on this lake, and I set out on a quest to find smallmouth. Found one, so awesome. All right, guys, got our first smallmouth out here. Really cool. I gotta readjust myself because, man, I had a feeling that was a smallie because it hit good. The thing was acrobatic. Like, you'll get largemouth to jump, but the thing was launching over top my kayak and doing all sorts of crazy stuff. Did I get another one? Just a little largie. Man, he was aggressive. Jesus. Jesus. Look at this little guy. Is that a small eye? Nope, just a largie. Top dead center. Oh, that's a big one. Gone. Okay, that's fine. I would expect like largemouth to be in here maybe. Ooh. Dumped it. Man, these little guys just destroy it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it out of you, dude. Not a bad one. There we go. Feisty. Barely had him hooked. Healthy largemouth. So I happened to find one smallmouth. I think it was kind of a random ordeal because it was close to a boat dock. But an awesome largemouth bite. Awesome largemouth bite out here. You know, the north wind may have things thrown off. I don't know. But I threw everything but the kitchen sink at them, guys. Crankbaits, swim baits, tubes, wobble heads, you know, the whole nine. All right, thank you guys once again for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you guys. I know a lot of people don't make it to the end, and those that do, once again, I can't thank you enough. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the little bell notification. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.